To get this thing, the starter off of this thing, and I have to disconnect the battery first and then take the starter off. The starter's junk on this thing, but that's gonna have to buy a new one. Hopefully this will fit. Well, oh, come on. Well, I'll be right back. We'll try it now. Oh, too small. Try it now. Let's try this one. Oh my god, I can't get it! My hands are freezing so much. Perfect fit. Wait a sec, guys. Okay, so I got it all done. I got both of them on done. I'll go in my pocket. Now for the starter, I don't know if I can actually even get it off tonight. Look at how cold it is. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video for today. It is freezing out. It's bad, but another one of those videos is probably gonna be I'm probably gonna say maybe I don't know. Actually I don't know. But yeah. Make sure to subscribe, turn the post notifications on to all so you get notified when I post like this video if you did. Comment down below if there is comments down there, because most of my videos there's not, but guys, go through every single video of mine and see if you can find one with comments, and then comment down below what you want to see on this channel. So yeah.